A waitress rushes to work, unaware today will change her life. Even late, Emily still stops to give Mr. Harris a coffee and sandwich.
He blesses her, saying kindness always comes back.
Her boss scolds her for being late, but she quietly gets back to work. A happy family leaves a generous tip, giving Emily a moment of relief. All her efforts, her rent is overdue again. She worries deeply. A mysterious envelope with her name, but no sender, lies at her door. Inside is a note. Your kindness has not gone unnoticed. Along with the note, there's $5,000 in cash. She pays her rent and medical bills. The mystery overwhelms her. She asks Mr. Harris who left it, but he says he didn't see anyone. He says, good always returns, sometimes through strangers. Using part of the money, Emily pays for his medical checkup. Mr. Harris needs urgent treatment. His health is declining. Emily chooses to help him instead of saving the money. He reveals something shocking. He wasn't always homeless. Years ago, he lost his family in an accident and spiraled into depression. He gives Emily a key to a storage locker. Go. You deserve the truth. Inside the locker are documents, photos, and a bank folder. He set up a trust for her after she saved him in his darkest hour. He never forgot the girl who saved him with food, warmth, and hope. Mr. Harris passed away peacefully that morning. He never wanted thanks, only to return the kindness. Emily promises to honor him by helping others, just as he helped her. She uses part of the trust money to feed homeless people. She becomes a symbol of hope for many. Local media covers her story, inspiring thousands. She begins writing about her journey. Because of her, hundreds now receive meals and shelter. A single kind act changed 2 lives and many more afterward.